Hi everyone, welcome to a day in my life. So today I started off with the gym. So you know how I've been saying I'm trying to be consistent in life. I'm trying to hit the gym more often. Not for not really I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to be toned. I'm trying to gain my strength back. I am trying to be better physically and mentally. Like, am I the only one, guys? Let me know. Am I the only one who goes to the gym and automatically feels better? Not because I'm trying to lose weight, not because I'm, carrying weight or like just being in the gym and working out just kind of helps my mental growth. It helps with my thinking. It takes my mind off things. It helps me really like absorb all the things in life, really know and set my day and set my goal and set my targets. Like being in the gym actually helps me mentally. So after gym, I got home. I went filmed some content, makeup content. Go on my channel, Lizzy Akins, to watch the full video. I am doing Valentine's look for this month because it's the month of love. After that, myself and my sister filmed some content. Go over to our channel, order assist me to watch the full video, and then some editing. I took my makeup off, ended the day with makeup off, undressed, unwind, had dinner, watched a movie together, chatted a bit, did a bit of DIY, and that was it for the day, guys. Literally